Today I am very excited about the possibility of getting my hair restored. I started having hairstyles that were damaging to my hair. At one point I had a hairstylist who put an extension in and just ripped it out on the side and it never grew back. The reason I chose the multi-unit graft is because I think that's going to give me the best option to get the most hair back. I went to another doctor. He didn't really answer a lot of my questions. I felt like he was wanting me to do this one procedure and he wasn't telling me about the other things that I could do. I heard about PAI on the radio. And then I saw the billboards around town. I thought it was just for middle-aged men losing their hair, so I actually got on the internet, looked at the website. They had done procedures on women. I came in and spoke with Joe. I told him immediately I did not want to do the surgery, and he says, okay, and we're not even going to talk. He said, I'm going to give you some information about it, but if you don't want to do that, here are the other options that you can do. So I really like the fact that, he was honoring my request of, I'm not doing that. So when I left that day, I was considering whether I was going to do PRP or the laser therapy. And when I came back in, he was shocked to learn that I was just going to go ahead and do this multi-unit graft.
So we're here today with the year follow-up with Michelle. The procedure that we chose to do was the multi-unit hair grafting. As you can see from our photos, the area was kind of around the frontal hairline, the edges. We also had a few areas in the top that we wanted to address. So our surgery was very successful. We actually hit every area that we wanted to with the one procedure. And as you guys can see, 14 months later, this is our overall result. And from what I hear from Michelle, she's pretty happy with that result.
I'm very happy with the result. I guess I had to practice a little patience because I thought, when you got it done, your hair is gonna come right back. I got a lot of growth between 10-month and 12-month. People have different growing patterns and my growing pattern was just different from everyone else's. I thought it was gonna be a big incision and you would be able to see a line and everybody would know that you had it done. I also thought it was gonna be excruciatingly painful and it was not like that at all. Nothing is ever as bad as you think it's gonna be. A lot of the stigma and the bad things that I thought about it actually, was not there. So I would say go and talk to somebody about it. Talk to somebody who's had it done. I would recommend it to anyone, and I have recommended to other people that they look into it.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 800-496-7225 or visit WeGrowHair.com.